If you're a gamer, you understand that nothing is more frustrating than a slow or unstable internet connection. Often the culprit is an outdated or low-quality Ethernet cable, leading to lag and disruptions that make gaming frustrating. Upgrading to a higher quality Ethernet cable can drastically improve your gaming experience by providing a faster and more stable connection. With so many options on the market, choosing the right Ethernet cable can be overwhelming. To help, here are a few key factors to consider when selecting an Ethernet cable for gaming. Factors to consider: category level, cable length and shielding. In today's video, we're reviewing the top 5 Ethernet cables for gaming currently available. If you want more details on the products mentioned, check out the links in the description below. Let's dive in. Starting with the Ugreen Cat 7 Ethernet cable. Ugreen's Cat 7 Ethernet cable is designed for gamers who prioritize performance and reliability. It supports speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second with a 600 megahertz bandwidth, ensuring fast and efficient data transfers. Compatible with various devices, it enhances connectivity from gaming consoles to desktop computers. The flat design is a major plus, allowing for easy installation under carpets or along walls, keeping your setup neat and safe. The shielded twisted pairs minimize interference, ensuring a stable connection even in areas with high electronic noise. However, it's not weatherproof, limiting it to indoor use. Additionally, while the 10 gigabits per second speed suffices for current needs, it might not be future-proof. The shielding also reduces flexibility, making it tricky to install in tight spaces. At number 2 is the Debillion Cat 8 Ethernet cable. Debillion Cat 8 cable is the go-to for those needing extreme internet speeds. With up to 40 Gbps speed and 2000 MHz bandwidth, it handles high bandwidth tasks effortlessly, ideal for UHD streaming and large data transfers. It features double shielding to reduce EMI and RFI interference, ensuring clear signal transmission. The robust, waterproof, UV-resistant build makes it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, guaranteeing durability in harsh conditions. However, the heavy-duty design can make installation in tight spaces challenging, and the premium features increase the price, which might not be necessary for average users. The thickness also limits flexibility in cramped environments. At number 3 is the Jadal Cat 8 Ethernet cable. Jadal's Cat 8 cable is perfect for gamers and streamers needing high performance. It offers up to 40 gigabits per second speed with a 2000 megahertz bandwidth, ensuring ultra-fast data transfer for competitive gaming and uninterrupted HD streaming. Its flat design makes installation easy along walls or under carpets, reducing tangling and clutter. The UV-resistant and weatherproof materials make it suitable for outdoor use as well. However, the flat design can be less versatile in some setups, and its advanced specifications may be overkill for those who don't need such high speeds. Additionally, the price may deter those looking for basic functionality without the need for top-tier specs. Now at number 4 is the Orbrum Cat 8 Ethernet cable. The Orbrum Ethernet cable is a top choice for users seeking speed and reliability. Supporting up to 40 gigabits per second with a 2000 megahertz bandwidth, it's ideal for professional gaming, large downloads, and high-res video streaming. The flat design allows for easy installation in tight spaces, while the nylon braided cover adds durability, protecting against wear and tear. However, the nylon braiding adds rigidity, making installation challenging in complex network setups. It might also be overkill for regular users, leading to unnecessary expenses, and the braided design may not match all aesthetic preferences. Our final product is the Vobogu Cat 8 Ethernet cable. Vobogu's Cat 8 cable is built for those who want top-notch internet speed and stability. With 2000 megahertz bandwidth and speeds up to 40 gigabits per second, it's perfect for 4K/8K streaming, high-level gaming, and large file transfers. It features a weatherproof UV-resistant jacket for durability in all conditions. The advanced shielding keeps interference low, ensuring a stable connection in noisy environments. However, the high specifications might be unnecessary for typical home or office use, leading to extra costs. Its thickness, while protective, limits flexibility, making installation difficult in tight spaces or intricate setups. We hope you found this video helpful in making your Ethernet cable decision easier. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.